Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Neither I nor all the sages born before you know fully the omnipotent personality of Godhead. So what can others, who are born after us, know about him? Even the first incarnation of the Lord, namely Shesha, has not been able to reach the limit of such knowledge, although he is describing the qualities of the Lord with 1,000 faces. The omnipotent personality of Godhead has primarily 3 potential manifestations, namely internal, external, and marginal potencies, with unlimited expansions of these 3 energies. As such, the potential expansions can never be calculated by anyone, because even the personality of God himself, as the incarnation of Shesha, cannot estimate the potencies, although he has been describing them continuously with his 1,000 faces.